Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Floki video update for quite a while, maybe occasional updates that I do. And Floki got attention of, being listed on Binance, and that's pretty huge, and you just got like a 50-60%, 70% pump. All of a sudden you just had a pump to the upside. So what's going on and what's going to happen next? I think I'm just going to actually check Floki on another exchange, which in my opinion, can we actually check it out on this one, OKX? Yeah, well, you do have OKX as well, but I am trying to see if I can get Floki with much more details. Maybe somewhere down here at Gate.io, something like that. Damn, my goodness, man. Where's Floki? Yeah, here we go on the Gate.io. All right, so this was Floki that I was observing previously on Gate.io as well. So the pattern that you're going to see right now is the following. I'm just going to bring this a little bit up here, and you pumped back up to a certain resistance, and I'm going to tell you that resistance in a second. I'm just going to remove this. I'm going to remove that. Okay, so if you look and you go back to nearly January of last year, 2022, you got some resistances going on Floki. So the first one is going to be this resistance here, second resistance. Now if you look on Binance, there's no data, okay? So don't try to do technical analysis on a Binance chart. It just got listed, and I think it's going to retrace down a little bit. That's just how they are. But Binance is manipulated as heck. After Pepe got pumped, watch the video on the channel, and after what do you call this? After Floki got pumped up, you see the pumped version of the coins are listed on Binance. So I don't think it's a good idea to buy the pumped coins, because they can start to retrace and correct to the downside, thinking that, oh, it's cool now that it's listed on Binance. Anyways, but I was always expecting Floki to be listed. At some point I'm expecting Kishu to be listed as well, and maybe Bonk, something like that. These are some coins that I think, meme coins that can actually show up, and Baby Doge. Let's not forget Baby Doge as well. So Floki's there. I didn't expect Pepe to be listed. Okay, back to the charts. Got one resistance, second resistance here, and you got another resistance right there, and you've pumped back up to that resistance. So don't get bullish. But the thing is that you got the left shoulder, a huge head, and the right shoulder. So that's an inverse head and shoulder. If this listing is strong, it should be strong enough to actually break above here, retest, and absolutely take over to a technical target, which I'm going to tell you right now. And if you break above, then we're looking for Floki to go from there to there. And once you break, you're looking for Floki to basically move all the way up to this price prediction, and that's actually going to be like a 10x move to the upside. So we're talking about a technical target to go from there to there, and that's going to be like 1,000% move to the upside, which is pretty huge, incredible. And if things get even more bullish, you take out this level, retest, and you continue even more higher. Who knows, 20x is along the way, but I do expect Floki has a 10x potential in the next bull run, if the bull run happens in 2023 or in 2024, basically. So that's all for this update. Do subscribe. Let me know if you need the updates. If this video gets 50 likes, I'm going to try to do more updates on Floki. So do make sure you're liking it, and it just helps out the channel as well. And on 15 May, we're getting the crypto awards out as well. And I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.